MDSI control here will allow us to touch screen. This is a touch screen. We can jog the axis just by putting our finger on the screen. And the farther we drag it, the faster it goes. And if we come closer to the center, it really slows down and starts jogging slowly. And actually, easily just reverse. Just I'm dragging my finger across the screen. And then you come up here, you select Z. Want to go minus, down she comes. The further I hold it off center, the faster it goes. Take it back to center, stop, turn around, head back up. Take the finger off, ready to go. That's just by touching this slide. Now, I can jog to any position that I've programmed into Z home, X home, absolute X, whatever, absolute Z, whatever, just by hitting it and typing it in. Or if I'm done with it, just shut it off. Just push our finger on it. It also has a message screen. You can go back and look and see what's going on. If you had a problem with something, you can go over here to the program screen. While it's in manual, I can look at my program. Well, I need to change that line just a little bit. I can highlight that line, hit the edit button, hit modify. I can type it in right here, or I can use the keyboard and the mouse. And I just hit enter to accept the change. You can have your part display. You can have a part program. This part control coordinates, or you can display it in diameter, radius, inch, millimeters, your offsets, whatever. And then you get back out, just touch. Now I hit the part coordinate button, brings up to the screen. What do you want to see? You want to see your distance to go, or do you want to see your part coordinates, or do you want to see your machine only coordinates? The following error, you want to see what the following error is. Getting my butt finger on there. I got pretty fat finger. Anyway. Now you see your part coordinates. I can go to machine coordinates, whatever. Close the screen. You can unclamp one rail up and down. You can jog the spindle just by holding it. Spindle's jogging, let off of it, stop. You want a different table range? This thing runs from 6 RPM to, I think it's 186. When I got, I was surprised at the size of the motors, but as you can see, we can really push the chips with it. Your feed rates, feet per minute, you can override everything just by putting your finger on it, bringing it down. You see your percentages here. Rapid, how fast you're going to wrap it, how fast you're going to jog. Put it out, just hit it again. Here's your cycle, retrace, withdraw, auto withdrawal. This thing's loaded up. It's got a pretty good control on it. And if you want to replace the control, you just go to Radio Shack and buy another computer and slap the hard drives around. You can look at your tool offset page. This thing has a lot of tool offsets. 99 tool offsets you can call up. And it's real easy to calibrate. Let's say that dimension, where the tool is located, then come over here, back over here, hit the calibrate button. Fat finger again. Up tool offset 33, 32. Oh, what am I doing wrong? Oh, calibrate. Now, I didn't have my calibrate button on, like I thought I did. Anyway, touch off diameter. I hit that, I enter in my offset, or what the diameter is I just cut, hit enter, it's loaded. This is the actual offset right over here, but in the diameter, there it is. So it's loaded up in the 32 now. Say you can have, I think it's 99 offsets. I couldn't change the sum earlier because I hadn't hit the calibrate button. You have geometry files, you have things loaded up with a lot of files. This is the program I wrote. It's in a text pad on Windows. So all I have to do is I go into File, and I save it on my front page, then I save it as, I go into my part program, I pull up part programs, and then I just hit save, and it's going to want me to replace it, and I'm saying yes. So then I just transferred it into the CNC control part of the computer. And now I can come over here in manual, hit file, load. I don't want to change that. I already changed that earlier, so I can come down here to the program I want to overwrite, which is this one. Hit load. Yep. And there's my program. So it's just running the Windows program. There's the machine file. Here's the MDSI file. I come up here. If I want to display something else, I come up and I click on the MDSI file. Or I don't want to show something, I just shut off the message display or whatever. I just come up here and pull up what I want to look at.